In this video series, we're going to build a 3D printer, and we're going to build one from a 2D printer. So start with your favorite old printer that you have laying around, probably something you're going to throw out. This was something I was going to throw out, and it's been sitting in the garage for a couple months or a few years, and would have been electronic waste anyway. So we're going to repurpose this into something useful, a project I've been wanting to do for some time, which is a 3D printer. So just carefully remove the case. Try not to damage any of the internal components. Note the model number, that will be important. So what you're seeing here is a basic power up. So we want to make sure that it works before we remove the case and after the case is removed. Otherwise, it's going to be a pain to troubleshoot as we start building upon this. So toggle the power button a few times. Try plugging it into your computer and see if it's recognized in Device Manager as well. Make sure you have a device driver for it. You can also look online, obviously, to see the manual or any device drivers that aren't recognized by Windows, but Windows should actually take care of this for you. I'm using Windows 10, if that means anything. We don't find too much information in this manual. It's just basically for the consumer, not for a developer. So you're not going to find data sheets. Here we're looking at Device Manager. Notice it does pop up under printers. So you can check out the properties of this device, and it says it's functioning properly. So that's good information. Next, we're going to try to print something. So what I've done is I've gone to Microsoft Word, and I've sort of tried to print a test document. So the big hint here is no, nothing is going to print. There's a few internal buttons and sensors that will be required to be depressed or shorted to get working. The cartridge holder does not have any ink cartridges, so that's could be one reason why it's not functioning. This is something that is going to be explored in future videos. In part 2 of this video series, we're going to try to get it to think it's printing to a test document. It's just to restore some basic functionality. So we have lost a few things removing the case that are going to need to be fixed, and with a little bit of troubleshooting. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.